Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32 error code. So, it is simply process. Before you are begin, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. And let's start that solution. First solution restart. So go to the start menu. Then click to power button. Select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then next solution, the task manager. So go to the task manager, then click to open it. Okay, here go to select the Epic Games launcher, then right click to end task. After that close it, then go to the next solution, then reset internet. So go to the settings, then click to open it, then select the network internet, then scroll down, then select the advanced network settings, then again scroll down, then find the network reset, then right side reset button click here, then yes click to confirmation, yes click here. After that close it, come to back, go to the start menu again, then click to power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then next solution, the reinstall the Epic Games launcher. So go to the control panel, then click to open it, then change category, then select the uninstall program, then find Epic Games launcher, then right click, then uninstall button click here, click to uninstall it. After that close it, refresh your system, finally restart your system, then your problem fixing now. Then go to the again reinstall that restart that game. After that your problem fixing now. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. This method working, then only subscribe. It is not working, then not working, go to the comment section, go to comment.